Gallatin police are looking for this woman who may be a suspect in multiple construction thefts across Middle Tennessee, amounting to thousands of dollars, too. Welcome back to News 2 at 4. I'm Mark Kelly.
And I'm Alex Dennis. Andy Cordan has details in this story that you will only see on News 2.
According to Gallatin Police, 3:30 Saturday morning, October 22nd, this U-Haul comes to this construction site. They put a chain out, they hook it up to a toolbox, it's full of construction material and expensive tools, and they drag it right off the premises. According to Gallatin Police, these are surveillance pictures of the prime suspect in this case. Police say this is Samantha Ferguson, driving a U-Haul that she reportedly rented with her real name and real license. According to investigators, the 30-year-old ex-con and an accomplice allegedly hooked a chain up to this large metallic toolbox, then dragged it right off the construction site. According to investigators, the very next night, the 30-year-old and her accomplice returned to the storage facility right next door to the construction site. And using the same U-Haul, the duo allegedly tows away this trailer full of expensive tools worth at least $17,000. Armed with a search warrant, police go to Samantha Ferguson's Gallatin home and find all of the stolen material. They find the trailer. They find the stolen toolbox.
So those locks, that junction box, all that stuff, we didn't know it was stolen until we got up there.
And they find a lot more construction material.
That's a bunch of wire that came from the construction site.
That Gallatin investigators tell me is most likely stolen from construction sites across Middle Tennessee.
Probably going to be where they've went to other jurisdictions and have taken other things from other construction sites. We're sorting through all that right now.
So there could be stolen items from all over Middle Tennessee here.
I guarantee you there is.
Police will also find needles, fentanyl, and Narcan in the woman's residence. There are now active warrants for Samantha Ferguson out of Gallatin, and I'm told Sumner County also has warrants for stealing and writing bad checks. In Gallatin, Andy Cordan, News 2.
Thanks, Andy. This is Andrew Armstreet. Gallatin police call him a person of interest in their case with Samantha Ferguson. The Sumner County Sheriff's Department has active warrants on file for the 32-year-old for the same charges Ferguson is wanted for in Sumner County. So if you have any information on the duo, you can contact Gallatin Police.